In this video, I'm going to show you how to send one of the tests electronically to your students. There are hundreds of these tests across the Grammar Monster website. This is the test from the conjunctions lesson. It has 18 questions. At the bottom of the 18 questions, there are some options. You can download the test as a Word document, which you can send by email. You can download it as a PowerPoint for a confirmatory test in the classroom. You can also print it as a handout, and there is a separate video on how to do that. This video is about how to send it. When you click the Send This Test button, this decal appears. This is just to let you know that you are in send mode. In send mode, the background turns light green and you can edit the test. To get out of send mode, press this button here. So this test has 18 questions. Let's edit it and get rid of some. 1, 2, 14, 15. Now I have deleted a lot there, but it's just for the demonstration. So we now have 3 questions left. As well as deleting questions, you can also change the order of the questions. If we think that question 1 would be better at the bottom, then we can move it down. So you can change the order of the questions using these buttons. These buttons here are just to put gaps in between the questions. These are useful when printing a handout to ensure you don't have a question on the overlap of a page. You can also change this test into 2 columns. So here it is in 2 columns. Let's leave it like that. When you press the Send Now button, this decal appears. Here is the link that your students must click to see the test. This Share button will open the share options on the computer, and this Copy button copies this link so you can send it however you like. A key point here is you must write down the 4-figure PIN. You will need this to see the answers the students send back to you. You can see how the test will look by clicking this test link. And this is what the students will see. You have been sent a test. When you have answered all 3 questions, a Share button will appear. So let's answer these 3 questions. Once a student has answered the questions, this button will appear. And here are the options to share their answers. At this point, they can also re-edit the answers, but this will open up the share options on their computer, and this copies the link that they can send back however they like. When you click on that link that you've received back from the student, you will be faced with this. Now remember that 4-figure PIN. Enter that. Then the student's test will be marked. In this case, the student got all 3 questions right and is labelled a genius. And that is how you send one of the tests on Grammar Monster electronically. Thanks for watching.